What if I told you there's a drug so powerful that it's helping people lose 20 pounds in weeks? But it's also causing some terrifying side effects. From Hollywood stars to your next-door neighbor, everyone's talking about Ozempic. Is it a miracle we've been waiting for? Or a dangerous trend we need to be careful of? Let's dive in. Welcome to Brainy Box, where we uncover the truth behind the trends. I'm your host, and today we're exploring the Ozempic revolution, the weight loss drug that's taking the world by storm. By the end of this video, you'll know if Ozempic is worth the hype or the risks. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to learn more about trending health topics. First, what is Ozempic? Originally developed to treat type 2 diabetes, Ozempic is a brand name for semaglutide, a GLP-1 receptor agonist that mimics a hormone in your body. This hormone helps regulate blood sugar, curbs appetite, and slows down digestion. The catch? While it was designed to help diabetics manage blood sugar, many have found that it's a weight loss miracle. In 2023 alone, Ozempic prescriptions skyrocketed by 300%, with celebrities like Elon Musk and Oprah Winfrey openly crediting it for their weight loss. But is it safe for non-diabetics? Let's find out. For many, Ozempic is a game changer. Studies show it can help people lose 15 to 20% of their body weight. That's more than any other FDA-approved weight loss drug. It's not just about weight loss either. Ozempic has been shown to reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes, especially in diabetics. Some doctors even call it a wonder drug for obesity. One patient said, "For the first time in my life, I feel in control of my eating. It's like a switch flipped in my brain." But Ozempic isn't without risks. Here are the most common side effects. First, nausea and vomiting. Up to 20% of users experience severe stomach issues. Second, pancreatitis. This is inflammation of the pancreas, which can be life-threatening. Third, thyroid tumors. Animal studies suggest a risk of thyroid cancer, though human data is inconclusive. Some users report psychological effects too, feeling zombie-like or losing interest in food altogether. One woman said, "I stopped enjoying meals with my family. It felt like I was losing a part of myself." And there's a darker side to its popularity. As demand for Ozempic grows, shortages have left diabetics who rely on it struggling to get their prescriptions filled. So, what's driving the Ozempic craze? Social media plays a huge role. TikTok and Instagram are flooded with before and after photos, and influencers are making big claims. But there's a bigger issue at hand: our obsession with quick fixes. Ozempic isn't a magic pill. It requires commitment to lifestyle changes to maintain weight loss. And stopping the drug often leads to rapid weight gain. Without proper diet, exercise, and strength training, it's hard to maintain the results. Now, let's talk about strength training. You might be asking, why do I need to worry about muscle loss if I'm on Ozempic? Well, Ozempic works by reducing appetite, but it can also impact muscle mass if you're not careful. When your body loses fat, it's not just burning fat, it can also burn muscle tissue. Strength training helps preserve and build muscle mass, and it's essential for overall health. If you're considering Ozempic, be sure to add weightlifting or bodyweight exercises to your routine to keep your muscles strong and prevent weakness. A fitness expert explains, when you're on Ozempic, it's crucial to maintain muscle health to avoid weakening your body's strength and metabolism. So, what do you think? Is Ozempic a miracle drug or a dangerous trend? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video eye-opening, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember, knowledge is power. Stay curious. This video is for educational entertainment purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any medication or treatment.